Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling the minimal pieces you need right now. Create a Dockerfile that declares from and a single CMD. This defines your base image and runtime command. Put your application code and package manifests into one build context folder and add a Docker ignore to keep the image small. Make sure Docker engine is installed. Run Docker version to confirm. Once done, you're ready to write instructions that tell Docker how to assemble your image. Now you write the Docker file and build it. Start with from, add env and necessary run steps to install dependencies, then copy your app files, do expose for ports and finish with cmd. Combine run commands with and to reduce layers and remove temporary files to keep the image lean. Then execute docker build yourname/app tag, and monitor the output. If a step fails, read the failing command and fix the Docker file or missing files. Once the build completes, test locally. Finish by testing and publishing the image. Run Docker run rmp 8080, 80 yourname/app tag to verify behavior. If all functions, tag appropriately and push to a registry after Docker login. Make sure labels and version tags are meaningful. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Inspect with Docker history and recreate a failing layer by running an interactive shell inside the image using Docker run at yourname/app, tag sh or bash. Then reproduce the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.